To tonight Morse code. Um, Tonight's Morse code is YIELD. So I'll click on the daily cipher panel here and I'll begin to type the code one after the other. So the very first letter is Y for yam, which is long, short, long, long, followed by I, which is short, short, then followed by E, which is short, then followed by L, which is short, long, short, short, and lastly D, which is long, short, short. And that forms our daily Morse code for tonight on Hamster Kombat. So enjoy your night and do have a wonderful night rest. Good night.